AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence means that the computer acts like a human, or the computer is taking decision based on the data they are receiving from the network. Nowadays, security camera provider has inbuilt AI feature inside the security camera. This AI feature will help us to increase more security inside the security system. So let's discuss 7 advanced AI feature for security camera. The first feature of AI in the security camera is face recognition. The face recognition will help us to identify a human that is not authorized enter the boundary that we have identified. If there is unauthorized person, so it will automatically generate alert inside that zone. The second AI feature in security camera is intrusion detection. Who is entering into that room, so it will generate an alert or trigger or sending us alert message into the mobile that some unauthorized person is entered into that zone that we have defined and protected. The third feature of AI in security camera is perimeter protection. In the perimeter protection, we are protecting an area or a stock or a house or a building. If someone unauthorized is entering into that area, as well as it's creating or triggering alarm into our mobile or email. The fourth feature of AI in security camera is people counting. Nowadays, we will be able to count the people who is entering into office, organization, park mall. So we are counting the people that how many people is entering into the organization. Sometimes we are using this feature into the stadiums, cricket stadium, football stadiums. It will help us to identify how many people are watching the game or come inside the ground. The fifth feature of AI in security camera is human and vehicle detection. Before in security camera, we had motion detection, but it will not recognize or differentiate between human, vehicle, or other object is moving around the camera. But nowadays, it will help us to identify the human detection as well as car detection or motor detection in front of the camera. The sixth AI feature is behavior detection. Nowadays in security camera, we have the features of detecting human behaviors. Pretend we have a mall and some human is fall down, so the camera will analyze that situation and alarming the situation. Or in case if some two person is fighting to each other, so the camera will be able to detect that something unauthorized case is happening inside the mall, so it will trigger the message to the security person. The seventh and last feature or AI feature in the security camera is AI search. In this AI search, it will help us to extract exact footage that is recorded during the year or during the day or during the time. So it will help us to extract footage for the human, some even occur like human or vehicle movement, so we can search only those footage that is recorded like human behavior or vehicle behavior.